Guys, nakapag-unlimited buffet ako for free. Yes, as in libre kahit pamasahe. Ang promo code ko for today's video, treat ni ate. Isinama ko ng sister ko dito sa V-Pop Live in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. It's a Vikings experience, but more fun. Sobrang daming choices ng food featuring Filipino and Japanese cuisines. Talaga namang craving satisfied ka dito. Ito yung putok-batok section, main dishes, bread, salad, grill, tempura, dessert, drinks, at ang pinaka-paborito ko, ang sushi section. May free entertainment ka pa habang nagpapakabusog. Kahit hindi ako ang nagbayad, I would say it's a fair price kasi for 1,265 pesos, unlimited na to lahat plus parang may mini concert pa sa galing ng performers. By the way, you can book this sa Klook para mas convenient. May discount pa using my promo code below. Kung pupunta ka, just take note of their operating hours kasi iba-iba. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Send mo na rin to sa ate o kuya mo para ilibre ka na rin nila. Yun lang, follow for more!